This tutorial is going to show you how to access our Gale database for doing some research for your U.S. history project. What I'm going to show you today is also what a reference article will look like and how to grab its citation. So if I'm on the library webpage, I'm going to click on databases, and it may ask you for a pass key, and the pass key to get to our databases is warriors, plural, all lowercase letters. Now the database we're going to start with for U.S. history to start building some more contextual information, and also to obtain a triangulation of information from our mining activity, is going to be in our history and cultural databases. And the database we're going to go to is U.S. History in Context. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring me to this page, which is a Gale database. Now we purchase these databases, and again, these databases include various resources, but today we're focusing on reference resources. Now you're going to want to jump right away to the search bar and type in your topic here. I advise you not to do that. What I would do is come down here and go to Browse Topics with a light bulb and click on that. It's going to bring you to the overview of all the topics, and you can see it is an exhausting list of topics. So you can search there, but what I really like to do is filter it down even more and think about what subtopic can I filter this down to find what I'm looking at. So maybe I'm looking for economics, because I'm doing the Great Depression. Let me see where this takes me. And lo and behold, it now cut that list down to only topics dealing with economics, and I can find the Great Depression. So I'm going to click that link. When I do that, it takes me to an overview or a reference page on the Great Depression. And this is where it starts. So this is essentially an encyclopedia article written by the Gale database people in order for us to get a contextual understanding about the Great Depression. I want to read more about that. So it's going to, again, give you some keywords. Ooh, speculation. That wasn't on my mining document. I may want to add that there. Business. I may want to add that. Hoovervilles. And it gives me the definition. So again, you want to continue to build your vocabulary for your search terms. Black Tuesday. That's an event that's important to me as well. So these are things I want you to think about when you're reading these reference articles. And you can see the reference article is going to give me an overview. It also gives me some cool citations at the bottom that we could talk about in another lesson about doing some deeper research to gain more materials for our Works Cited page. But what you also want to start thinking about is capturing your source citations. So one way to do that is highlight it and hit right click and hit copy, or you could hit select and it will copy it for you, and then just copy, and then you would go to your Google Doc or Noodle Tools and put it in as a Works Cited. So I hope this was helpful for you to get to Gale and find a reference article which is a general overview of your topic for your inquiry.